Swat is sitting in a charming cafe, reminiscing about past battles with his teammates. A bizarrely masked boss sits across from him, deeply engrossed in a book. It seems that Ben's laughter was too loud, disturbing the boss's reading. Ben then grabs his weapon and leaves, but the boss picks up a watch that Ben accidentally left behind. As he reaches the elevator door, he suddenly remembers the watch he forgot on his wrist.
Oh, hey! Give me back my watch!
He asks the strange masked man about the watch, which is now in the man's hand. However, it appears the masked man has no intention of returning it. Instead, he hypnotizes Swat with an object.
Hey, what is this? Hey, no more. This gun.
The scene shifts to another room where two SWAT members are discussing weapons. They are discussing the gun stored in the SWAT base.
This gun. I will not reach out. It's very rare. Nice. You alone. $5 million, okay? So it's beautiful.
Suddenly, Ben steps out of the elevator, looking dazed as he heads toward the SWAT base.
Hey, where are you going?
When Tony asks him from outside, Ben says nothing and keeps walking, leaving Tony surprised.
Hey, come here, come here. Come on, come on.
Upon entering, Ben and John call him over to examine the guns together. Hearing his teammate's invitation, he moves closer.
Here and here. Nice.
John, unaware of what's about to happen, enthusiastically introduces the guns. Suddenly, he pulls the trigger, shooting at the two SWAT members, killing them instantly. When Tony steps in, he gets punched repeatedly, falling to the ground, begging, still confused about what's happening.
Why do you do that? I will not forget. Okay?
Suddenly, Tony seizes an opportunity, striking back and pinning him to the wall as Ben starts to regain clarity.
Why do you do that? Huh?
Realizing what he's done, Ben feels deep regret, and Tony, unable to forgive him, scolds him harshly.
Hey, look what you did! Hey, not me! Please! Who? Huh? I remember.
Ben explains the entire incident to Tony, telling him how he was hypnotized by the masked man. He reveals that he was ordered to return to the base and kill his teammates, vowing to seek revenge. In another scene, three masked men are being chased by a female police officer named Rose. From a distance, he sees them attacking someone and angrily rushes to assess the situation. They continue to attack Rose, leaving her unable to fight back, but SWAT steps in to help her. He shoots down one of them, causing the other two to flee back to their base. The two SWAT members meet, sharing the same goal of taking them down, and decide to team up.
You are.
The masked men manage to retreat to their base, but the two SWAT officers follow closely and infiltrate the base.
I'm just me too. Go. Hey, hurry up.
The men, aware of the intruders, split up to prepare a surprise ambush. The SWAT members enter and cautiously move upstairs, checking the entire base. The men are hiding ready to launch a surprise attack unbeknownst to the SWAT team. Suddenly, a soldier charges directly at them, catching the two SWAT members off guard. Another soldier jumps down from above to attack but is swiftly taken down by Rose. The two continue their search for the masked boss, who is hiding nearby.
Hey, hey.
The soldiers eagerly wait for their prey to fall into their trap, feeling exhilarated. Suddenly, a bullet flies from a corner, hitting Rose and injuring her. SWAT is also under attack. In a critical situation, SWAT takes down one soldier, while Rose heads upstairs to find the boss. Before she can find him, he points a weapon at her head, forcing her to retreat. SWAT quickly handles the remaining soldier downstairs and heads up to assess the situation. He finds Rose lying there and tries to wake her, but to no avail from the corner, a gun points at him. It's none other than the masked boss, who shoots and injures him, leaving him unable to resist.
You didn't shoot me. Why did you do that? You.
Just in the nick of time, Rose suddenly wakes up, grabs a gun, and points it at the boss, saving SWAT's life. In the end, the masked boss is captured by the two SWAT members and taken back to base to face justice for his crimes.
Stand up! Come on! Go!